Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use an email extractor Chrome extension easily to find emails easily. So let's get started. Firstly, go to your Chrome browser, then visit Chrome Web Store. Here you will search for email extractor, then click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension. Here you will see the extension added successfully. Now mark it as pin. Now go to the website from where you can extract the emails. Like I am going on LinkedIn website because there I have get too much emails. You can simply go to any official website where you can find emails. Like here you will see like there are 0 emails in this. Now we are going another website. You will see in this website there are 2 emails. Click on it, then you can select the emails. You can copy it easily. You can extract any email from any website easily. Just click on the link and it will extract the emails easily. You can click on autosave to autosave emails on this extension, and that's it. That's how to use an email extractor on Chrome browser. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.